I am part of this panel because I run a lot of the social emergency medicine programs for our department. And I basically started doing this before it became fashionable. And as some of the old fogies on this panel can remember, like we were kind of doing projects piecemeal here and there. And it's really coalesced over the last couple of years based on the politics and the social pressures and the awareness of all the beautiful ways that we are different from each other, and how that has been have been challenged. And so people came out of the woodwork to really declare themselves as people who may be different, but are very much the same. And this world and this country are filled with people who are unlike each other, but we all have are much more similar than we are different. And so I think that that has manifested for me with a coalescing of the programs that Maimonides have been running for the last couple of years into a cogent program in which we are now have a discrete mandate, and we have projects that are available for residents and medical students to get involved with. We have a scholarly track, and we have real purpose and objectives to accomplish. So just quickly, I won't go through all the projects, but basically the mandate that I've been operating our division under is that we are really, the concept is that the emergency room goes beyond the physical walls. The care that we provide isn't just to provide care for the disease of the body, but also disease of our community. And that those diseases can be many things: inequity to healthcare and other resources, poverty, structural racism, physical barriers to get from one place to another that can lead to job loss, to disenfranchisement from healthcare, as well as educational opportunities. And the idea of community really is sort of a fluid concept. For me, it's really a matter of concentric circles. Our emergent and the smallest circle is our emergency room, but around that emergency room is our local community that we serve, our catchment area, and even that catchment area could be broadened to a citywide area where people present with problems, and we can project out to provide to vulnerable populations many of the services that we provide in the ER. And we also project even wider than that with programs that provide residents with opportunities to work in rural environments, very different from our urban center environment that is our home base. And for a resident, it's a very different experience for them, not just for the medicine that they practice, but also for the cultures that they serve. And then beyond that is a truly international experience beyond the borders of our country. And that is very much the same as providing care to our homeless. We go to resource poor areas. We serve people that may not necessarily speak our language, be of the same culture, and have significant barriers to access. And so if anyone is interested, I would love to hear from you. We have a whole array of projects from the smallest concentric circle to the global. And I think it's important. I think it really taps into not only why we all went to medical school in general in the first place, but specifically why we are predisposed to go into emergency medicine. Emergency medicine, just for those who are interested from the historical standpoint, started as a social movement to provide care for those who couldn't afford care from a private doctor. And so I want to continue that tradition at Maimonides. And so far, it's been fantastic. And I look forward to sharing that experience with you guys. Thank you.